The Adidas AE2 is quickly making its mark as a standout follow-up to the 2024 Sneaker of the Year. This model combines performance-driven design with thoughtful, subtle style. The latest colorway embraces a patriotic theme, featuring a clean white and black base highlighted with small red and blue accents. An iridescent gray finish adds a touch of depth and recalls details from the popular Lucid Orange edition seen during All-Star 2026. Built for the court, the AE2 offers lightweight mesh panels for breathability, molded sidewalls for stability, and aerodynamic shaping that supports quick cuts and explosive movements. A translucent outsole reveals the internal structure, giving the shoe added visual appeal. While Adidas has yet to confirm an official release, select international retailers have already made the pair available. As Anthony Edwards continues to impress on the court, this USA-accented AE2 colorway arrives at the perfect time, cementing the model as a must-watch sneaker for both fans and players alike.